When life is tough, when things aren't going your way, it can be really challenging to focus on the things that are good in your life. In these moments, know there is always something you can do to change your state of mind. It's okay to feel a full range of emotions, as long as you're allowing those emotions to flow through you, not get stuck in you. The moment you allow a feeling to overstay its welcome is the moment you have chosen not to learn the lesson that it was here to provide. That it was time to let go, or truly commit to something in your life. To be more decisive, to take inspired action. The result is that you'll end up feeling the opposite of what you were really wanting to experience. Give yourself permission to feel a full range of emotions, but not for them to have power over you. You are the creator of your life. You have the power to switch your focus from what you're not wanting to experience to what you are wanting to experience. And you have the power to move in that direction instead. As you do that, as you take those steps in the direction of what you truly want in your life, notice your growth. By recognizing the progress you have made, it will help you focus on what is good in your life, what is working, and who you have become as a result.